someone asked, can you can grow your own maggots? Yeah. Second part of this little series. The old bin again is mostly the birds ate up all the maggots there, or the larvae. There are a bunch of little ones down in the bottom of this current one, and we'll just put those into the current batch. And there's black soldier flies all in the canopies of the trees that come down and lay in it too. So watch the previous episode for how I just sort of made this little sort of mash or food for the black soldier flies, and it's been sitting in. It has sat in the house for a week now, and I'm just now putting it back out and leave the lid cracked so the flies can get down in there and lay their eggs. There's already some in there. They'll start eating it. They should, in a few weeks, morph into maggots for fishing. And again, I take those maggots and I fish for bluegill, and then I take the bluegill and cut them up as cut bait for catfish. And that's how I go about it. It works. It just takes time and a little bit of planning ahead of time. So this batch should last me till about October or so if I time it right.